Welcome to Wonder Wheel, where classic style meets modern innovation. Today, we're diving into the stylish comeback of the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia in 2025, a rebirth that has auto enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia was originally a design masterpiece introduced in the 1950s, a unique collaboration between German engineering and Italian design. Crafted by coach builder Karmann and styled by Carrozzeria Ghia, this car quickly became a symbol of elegance and simplicity. Fast forward to 2025, and Volkswagen has revived the legend with a fresh twist, blending vintage charm with modern-day performance and technology. In its latest avatar, the Karmann Ghia is reimagined as a sleek, fully electric coupe that still carries the soul of the original. The exterior stays true to its retro roots, with smooth curves, low-slung proportions, and a clean, aerodynamic profile. Yet underneath the iconic shell lies advanced EV technology that places it firmly in the future. Germany, the home of Volkswagen, leads the way in production. But it's the United States that tops the charts in terms of both demand and popularity for this stylish comeback. California, in particular, has embraced the 2025 Karmann Ghia as the perfect blend of eco-consciousness and timeless design. It's also gaining traction in parts of Europe and Asia, thanks to a strong fan base of classic car lovers and EV enthusiasts alike. What makes the 2025 Karmann Ghia truly stand out is its performance. Powered by a single electric motor delivering around 250 horsepower, this coupe offers a smooth yet spirited drive. The instant torque typical of electric vehicles ensures responsive acceleration, taking it from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 6 seconds. The low center of gravity and well-balanced chassis make cornering sharp and confident, whether you're cruising the boulevard or tackling winding back roads. Fuel efficiency, or rather energy efficiency, is another major selling point. With a range of up to 450 kilometers on a full charge, the new Karmann Ghia can comfortably handle daily commutes and weekend getaways. Fast charging capability allows the battery to go from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes, making it as practical as it is stylish. Key features include a digital cockpit with a minimalist user interface, voice-activated controls, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, regenerative braking, and Level 2 autonomous driving assistance. The interior is crafted with premium recycled materials, merging sustainability with luxury in a seamless way. The price? Starting at around $42,000, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is positioned as an affordable premium EV, targeting drivers who crave design, heritage, and modern tech without breaking the bank. Its biggest selling point is emotional appeal. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a tribute to the past, reborn for the future. Thanks for watching Wonder Wheel. Subscribe for more stories where classic icons return in electrifying new forms.